How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to increase your bench press, step-by-step guide for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So how do you increase your bench press? The number one way to increase your bench press is to increase your body weight, how much you weigh. So if you're struggling to bench, say 180 pounds, maybe you weigh 150, for example, then get to about 180, 190, gain about 30, 40 pounds of body weight. Your bench press will skyrocket. Here's a great example. I was stuck at a 290 bench, 290 pounds. I was sitting at about 190. 190 pounds body weight, I can bench 290. I wanted to get 300. So I went from 190 to 205. I gained 15 pounds of muscle. My bench went from 290 to 340. So I gained 50 pounds on my bench press. This is the number one way to increase your bench press. A lot of people will say, do this exercise, do shoulder press, do lateral raises, do military press. Shoulder auxiliary work is really good. I think shoulders are the most important secondary muscle group for the bench press, not the triceps. Triceps are more important if you're doing shirt lifting or equipped lifting. So shoulders are important, but the most important thing is gaining body weight. Now, that doesn't mean to get fat. You don't want to gain 20 pounds in a month of fat because then you'll have to lose it all. You want to gain weight slowly. So in a month, gain 2 to 3 pounds. Your body can only synthesize 2 pounds of protein a month. So you can only build 2 pounds of muscle a month. If you're a complete beginner, if you've been training for 6 months, a year, you can only build about 1 pound of muscle per month. So if you're natural, it takes a very long time to build muscle. So when you're gaining weight, do it slowly. The slower you do it, the less fat you have to lose when you do your cutting cycle. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching.